check this out. I just pulled over here, and man, she got an R7. That's a good looking bike. That is a good looking bike. I was in the dealership doing a video, and I was like, man, check this R1 out. And people in the comments were like, that's an R7. They look just alike.
The font is like so tricky.
Yeah.
It looks good.
It looks sick. Yeah, it's a beautiful bike. You know they're discontinuing the R1.
I heard that.
Yeah.
I heard that. I get it, but it's still, I feel like it should be available.
I know. It's crazy. Yeah, it's just, that's the flagship bike. Wow, that's nice. What's that? You said KX, what was that, 125? 250? Oh, okay. Wow, that's good looking, man. That's a nice bike. You ride it on the street? Yeah, I never rode a two-stroke, man. You got to stay on the gas, right? Yeah. All right, I'm about to head out, man. It's nice. Nice to meet you. All right. The reason why I got into motorcycles, I don't know, about 15 years ago, is because I wanted to make a change in my life, man. I just wanted to do something totally different that I wasn't doing. Something fun, new, exciting. And somehow I started this channel to motivate others to get into motorcycle riding and everything. And then I built a bug-out moto van, a custom camper van out of a Chevy Express 3500 to put my motorcycle in, live out of the van, travel across the country. I wanted to try van life as a different change in my life. Now, I'm ready for a new change. Something totally different, more exciting.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
If you want to get my gear like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet, motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep you safe. All of my gear, I always include links in the description and comment section of my video. Listen to this. Does that sound awesome or what, man? I'm telling you, that's what keeps me riding a motorcycle. I love the sound, the freedom of motorcycles. Everything about motorcycles is beautiful, man. I love bikers. I just love everything about motorcycle and motorcycle life, man. But I'm going to keep doing that as long as I can, possibly. But, you know, time is short, guys. People, you think we have a long time on Earth. It seems like it's not long at all, man. Just look how fast time is going, guys. Look. It's crazy. But, you know, you really got to do all the fun things and do a lot of different things in your life when you're younger, man. Because I tell you, you get older and you start having health problems and stuff, and then you can't do nothing, man, but be stuck up in the house or in the hospital or something, or going to the doctor and stuff like that. I've seen with my grandmother, all that she went through in her life, and she told me, she said, boy, you better appreciate your health. Enjoy life while you're young. And you know what, guys? That's what got me thinking, man. You know, it's time. I'm ready to do something totally different. I don't know, maybe not totally different, but something different that I've been doing. I've been thinking about getting a new motorcycle. You know, I want to get a new motorcycle, but I've had all the different types of bikes except for an adventure motorcycle. And I'd love to go do the Trans-American Trail. That's what my heart was set on doing in the past, but honestly, I can't do it because I got a dog. I got responsibility with a dog. And my dog, I can't just go put her in a kennel because she's a Basenji. She's very wild. And it's extremely expensive nowadays to board a dog. And I wish I could take the dog with me. That's why I built the bug-out moto van, so I can take my dog with me and the motorcycle. We travel. I go to different spots, ride motorcycles, and get back and live in the van. That's why I did that. Now, some of you guys were like, CycleCruza, why don't you go touring? Why don't you go get you an adventure motorcycle and go live off your motorcycle? Go get one of them tents that house your motorcycle, and you know, you can live in the little tent, motorcycle tent, and travel across the country. That'd be awesome. Share the experience with the channel. Yeah, that would be awesome, man. In a perfect world. Honestly, though, if I can't take my dog with me, I can't go. That's just the way it is. That's why I can't, honestly, that's why I can't tour. And I don't have any family that will take my dog. Nobody will deal with my dog because she's a wild Basenji, very extremely high energy. People can't handle her. I've tried to train her, and I've just given up. She's 10 years old now, and I pretty much just accepted her for the way she is, just like she probably accepts me for the way I am. I'm not the best dog owner, but I am 100% loyal to her, though, and will keep her as long as she's alive, and I take care of her, feed her the best foods. She acts like a puppy. She's 10 years old and runs wild and crazy like she always hasn't aged a day because I've taken good care of her. But I can't take her on a trip with me on my motorcycle, you know what I'm saying? I'd like to take another bug out trip, but honestly, my van is rusting so bad, guys. A big chunk of metal has rusted on the side below the door. God knows how it is underneath the van, so it may be coming to the end of days for my bug out moto van, guys, because I bought it, with a lot of mileage, 150-something thousand miles at the time, which is nothing with those V8 3500 Chevy Express vans, but they die of rot. I don't know. I'm looking to the next bug out vehicle to put together. I was thinking I'm looking about possibly getting a truck, maybe a Toyota Tundra, and getting a truck camper, possibly, and I would attach the motorcycle, get one of those motorcycle attachments to the back of the truck. So I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Or what other? Should I get a new van? Should I get a new Chevy, a Sprinter, and do a new van build, a moto van build? But I've already done that. You know what I'm saying? Been there and done that. So I like to do new and different things. If you haven't noticed on my channel, I've had all the different bikes and stuff, and I changed my life back in 2021. I bought a country property. I always wanted to do that. I bought that on a bunch of acres out there in Georgia. I shared that experience with you guys, how to make trails, riding out in the country road, living in the country, with everything that involves that. I shared that with my channel with all you guys. I'm all about changing up, man. I want to do something new and different. I want you to help me, give me some ideas on what do you think I should do that's totally different. Yes, I know some of you guys say, CycleCruza, do the touring. Like I said, I can't do it because I got a dog, man. And there's no way I could take the dog. With some dogs, I've seen people take their dogs with them on their motorcycle on long trips. My dog's not one of those dogs, guys. I can't even sit with that dog to watch a movie, okay? She just has to be going, constant energy, high energy. So I can't take her on the motorcycle with me, man. So I'm thinking, what can I do totally different? I don't know. The truck camper, that is different, but it's not all that much different than what I did in the bug out moto van. It's just a different type of bug out vehicle. I don't know, man. I just want to do something totally different in my life and make a big change and do something new and exciting, because life is short, man. Now, my brother died at 30 years old of a brain aneurysm, guys. My dad died at 30 years old. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate every single day out here, guys. Every single day I appreciate, man. Every day above ground, I'm appreciative of. And but I want to take advantage of this life while I'm healthy, and do something just so different, man. But I can't. I don't know. What do you guys? Should I get into 4x4ing with the pickup truck? What do you guys think, man? I thought about buying. I found a Toyota Tacoma 4x4, and I thought about doing something with that. But I don't know. I'd have to join a group or something with that, because you never want a 4x4 alone. I learned the hard way with that, guys. One time I jumped in my Nissan Pathfinder when I lived in Colorado Springs, and I went on Rampart Range Road. It's a road that goes up deep up in the mountains, the Rocky Mountains. At night, on a half a tank of gas like a moron, and just being stupid and doing something wild and crazy while my ex-girlfriend was at work. And I got lost up there in the mountains, guys, and ended up on a path that was going to take me all the way to Denver through the mountains, which would have taken like 7 hours, and I'd have ran out of gas in the mountains. That was the scariest time of my life, man. Almost one of the scariest. The other scariest one was I almost drowned in the ocean once. We got caught in a riptide, and that was scary, but that was really scary, man. But I'm telling you, almost getting lost in the mountains at night by myself, that was kind of crazy, man. But it was fun. It was exciting. That's what life's about, doing exciting and fun things and something totally different. So many of you guys do the same shit every day. It bores me to see some of you guys just get a Harley Davidson and you work 40 hours a week. You ride your Harley Davidson on the weekends, and that's it for the rest of your life. You know what I'm saying? Do the same old thing, the same motorcycle, eat the same food. It's like, oh man, variety is a spice of life. But I don't know, guys, I'm just sharing, you know, my thoughts with you guys, and I want to make a change. I want to get your opinion, man. What's something really totally different and awesome? Should I get in the 4x4 community? You know what I'm saying? Maybe I should get a side-by-side. I thought about getting a side-by-side. Join a community with that. Or I don't know, man. Sometimes I wish I could just jump on an airplane and just go somewhere crazy like Switzerland or something, man. But I can't do that because I got a dog. I mean, I could, but it cost a fortune to board my dog, and they probably put her out because she's so crazy. But I don't know, guys. I'm just fishing for something new and totally different to do, man. I need a change, and I want to share that change with you, like I've shared with you all along. And I appreciate all you guys. That's why I do these videos. I love talking with you guys, and I love hearing your stories and hearing your thoughts and sharing your expertise and ideas and everything. I really that's what keeps me going with this channel after 12 years, guys. I appreciate all you. But anyways, guys, make sure to hit thumbs up and leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my videos release. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Till next time.